Hey there, friends on YouTube. My name is Roger with Electronics and Gadgets. If this is your first time here, thanks for stopping by. Hit the like and subscribe. If you've been here before, thank you. The next video I'm going to do is on the Homiee sleeve. First off, the external dimensions. It's 14.4 by 10.4 by 0.2 inches. Internal dimensions is 14 by 10.2 by 0.2 inches. It's fit for laptops and any Ultrabooks with a 13 to 13.3 inch display. It's slim and portable and can be placed inside a briefcase, handbag, or backpack. Protects from scratches and light drops. It's perfectly designed for a 13-inch laptop or tablets. Fits the new MacBook Pro, iPads, and other 13 to 13.3 laptops. It's made of premium felt exterior, soft suede interior for better protection against scratches and bumps. The Velcro closure keeps the laptop secure and allows for easy and convenient access. The laptop sleeve with a main compartment, a smaller compartment, and 2 back pockets. The smaller front compartment is used for tablets, magazines, ebook readers. The 2 back pockets for cell phones, earphones, wallets, etc. It also comes with an additional small felt bag size 6.5 by 5.1 by 6 inches. It can provide space for your small things like your mouse, cell phone charger, USB cables, hard drive enclosures, power banks, passport, etc. I personally have a bag for all my electronics, but they've always gotten scuffed or scratched inside of it. This is a nice addition if you want to carry your laptop or iPad around. Just with the sleeve alone works. I personally use the sleeve in combination with my bag now to transport my electronics. Thank you for being here. Please click like and subscribe to my channel, and until next time, I'm out.